Dr. Grant, you've been very busy.
So you say you like it? Yeah, I thought you would. That's my way of saying I'm sorry. I know the necklace is good, right? So maybe when I'm out of the doghouse, I can have you wearing nothing but the necklace. Maybe some high heels. What? Alright, I'm gonna be up myself. Okay. Alright. I'll see you then. Bye.
This could have implications that lead back to me, Tiffany.
I don't think I already thought about that.
Then
Mom.
why are you considering this?
The angle I'm approaching it from will implicate her for murder.
Murder?
Yes, murder.
Oh,
Listen. 2 nights ago, I got an anonymous phone call asking for my email. On top of that, I got a surveillance video footage of Dr. Grant entering her friend's house hours before she died.
So you're saying that she killed her friend?
Well, I use the term friend loosely. Based on my research, they're actually mortal enemies.
Tiffany, where are you getting all this information from?
Come on, Mom. You don't expect me to disclose my sources?
Well, are they credible?
100%. And that's why they have to be protected.
Cool boy. What going? Yeah, I got me a call to find out. Or their country. Wow. Alright, so when we can link up? Yeah, Bridget, when we need to get this bar rolling. Yeah man, I go over there go talk to my youth them and thing. You hear nothing else? Oh. Alright, tell you what. Yeah man, when they come in from the country, just link me same time. I'm gonna find your foot in which part. Alright, good. Safe travel on the gravel. Yeah man.
You know that if you don't have it on camera that she killed a woman, it would be difficult to pin the murder on her, right?
Mom, I know that too. That is why I'm going to go after the autopsy report to see what was in her system when she died.
Hold on there. The woman named Stephanie?
Yeah, Stephanie Clark. You know her?
I mean, I saw it on the news and Maxine mentioned something about her, but she said that she died from a heart attack.
Come on, Mom. You really believe that? The woman was in her late 30s and in peak health condition. What Dr. Grant actually didn't tell you was that this lady went after her man.
So, she killed the woman because of a man? I don't know, I find that hard to believe though.